An additional maintenance procedure for 2007 is the use of CRS head cleaning fluid. Now you do this procedure every 1,500 hours, 50,000 miles are the second oil change. Again, that's 1,500 hours, second oil change are 50,000 miles. Now the procedure couldn't be simpler. First of all, you turn the truck off. You make sure the key is in the off position and you make sure the engine is not running. Then you take an Allen head wrench or an Allen wrench, you find this port, which is always around the fuel filter. You remove that Allen head set screw from the port, just like that. You get the fluid, which comes in a single-use item. We'll pull it out here. Just like that. It's a special high-strength cleaner, so try not to get any on you. You take the little red cap off. You go down here and you push this in. Now, it's like a basketball, so there's a little resistance, just like you would with a basketball needle. You stick that in there, then you would press all the fluid in there that you can get in there, okay? Once you've got all the fluid in, you pull this back out. You dispose of that properly. You put the Allen head set screw back in, torque it up to the proper torque, and then all you have to do is just start the engine. The process for the cleaning will be automatic and take care of itself.